guys, RK5 Gamer here, and today I am back with another video. I know I haven't been making videos in a long time, but you know, I haven't been streaming because I sold my PlayStation, and stuff. Now I got an Xbox, so anyway, I'm gonna teach you by the title of the video how to get dark mode on the YouTube app. So you need the newest update, of course. So you click on YouTube, and then you click your channel on the top right corner, and then go to settings, and then click dark theme. It'll be right there. Click that, and then, well, there you go. This is like a super duper short video, but I figured, why not make a video about it, because a lot of people probably already know about it, but it's just like that easy. If you don't know how to do it, well, now you do. Well, I will be making some videos in the future, so yeah, like, comment, subscribe if this helped you. Like, comment, subscribe, it'll be helpful. And I do stream on Mixer, so sometimes anyway. Follow me on Mixer, RK5 Gamer, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoy.